Hello everyone, welcome back to the Digital Learning English class at St. Joseph English Medium School, Vijaypur. I am Mrs. Manikya Chikmad, your English teacher for third standard. Dear children, in previous video we have started our 10th lesson and we did the reading practice of an amazing summer vacation lesson. So, today in this video we are going to analyze that lesson, an amazing summer vacation. Let us start. Lesson number 10, My Summer Vacation. Dear children, you all know that summer vacation, the most enjoyable moment. Everyone like to spend their summer vacation in their favorite places. So, today in this lesson, Sumit, the boy, how he wrote his summer vacation essay. Let us know. Sumit tapped his pencil against the blank paper lying on the table in front of him, signed. Sumit, the boy, is tapping his pencil against the blank paper. He holding blank paper, pencil and sitting quietly. He is just tapping on his blank paper on the table in front of the, and he is murmuring himself. Murmuring means silently talking himself, whispering. He murmured means talking in a low voice, talking himself in a low voice. What he is saying? I will never be able to write this essay. Sumit telling himself, what is that? I will never be able to write this essay. Why? What's wrong? Why Sumit thought like that? Why he can't able to write the essay? And what is the topic of the essay? Let us know. Sumit is in tension. He is tapping his pencil to the blank paper. He is holding his head. He is holding his head in the worried. He is in tension. So that time his mother came to him and asked him, "What's wrong, dear? What's wrong, dear?" his mother asked him, placing her hand on his shoulder. She kept her hand on his shoulder with concern. She asked him, "What's wrong, dear? What happened? You can write this summer vacation. You can write this summer vacation essay. Why you worrying too much? You just have to write what you did during the summer vacation." Then Sumit said, "Yes, mother, but I didn't go on a vacation." Sumit said, "Yes, mother, I know that what I have to write, but I didn't go on a vacation. Danesh, my friend, he went to Ooty, a lovely hill station. And my another friend, Janki, went to a resort in Goa. She spent time on lovely beaches. They can write about the summer vacation. But how can I write? But I had to go because I had to go stay with Aunt Mala. I have to go with my aunt because our house was renovated. Our house was being renovated. I have to stay with Aunt Mala. I didn't go anywhere. So how can I write?" he said. Then mother replied. Sumit's mother tried to convince him. Just because you didn't go on a hill station or a beaches doesn't mean you didn't have a vacation. She told him, "No, dear, just because you didn't go on a vacation some other places like a beach or hill station, it doesn't mean that you didn't have a vacation. You have a wonderful vacation. Just do. Look at all things you did with your cousins. In this summer." Sumit scrunched means he just scratched his head. His forehead is scrunched, shrink his forehead and thought. He started thinking, what I have did. In summer, Sumit and his cousins, Amol and Meet, Sumit's cousins are Amol and Meet, had entered the bike competition. Both they are entered the bike competition and gone to an amusement park. Sumit and his cousins gone to an amusement park. Amusement park means there you can play a wonderful games like Wonderla, like these places. So he gone to an amusement park with his cousins and taken 2 days trek to a nearby hill, and also both they taken 2 days trek. Trekking means climbing the hill. Trekking means climbing the hill. Taken 2 days trek to a nearby hill and took tennis classes also. Both they are. Sumit thought that he has taken 2 days tennis classes. He and his cousins have taken tennis classes. I guess I could write about that stuff. Sumit said, I guess I could write about that stuff. He shrugged. He is in a confusion. Still not sure. Sumit was not sure his essay going to impress his Sumit was not sure that his essay going to impress his class teacher and his friends. The next day the class started. The next day the class took turns reading their essays. Mrs. Mathai, the class teacher, told every student to read their essays. That time Sumit slunk down. Sumit slunk down in his seat. Why? Because he don't want to read his essay. He think that his essay is not good. Hoping his teacher, Mrs. Mathai, would not notice him. Mrs. Mathai would not notice him, not find him to read. So, with only 10 minutes left, only 10 minutes left before lunch, Sumit thought he was safe. Sumit think that he was safe from having to read his essay. Only 10 minutes left for the lunch. Sumit thought that he was safe. He could not read, he may not need to read the essay. Just then he heard Mrs. Mathai say. When he thought he was safe, just then he heard a sound. Mrs. Mathai, the class teacher. The class teacher said, Sumit, I think we have enough time to read. I think we have enough time to hear about your summer vacation. Sumit, I think still 10 minutes is there. We have enough time to read listen. Hear your summer vacation essay. Then Sumit gupped. Gupped means swallow. Swallow hardly in a hard emotion. Gupped means swallowed in a hard emotions with fear. Sumit gupped. Sumit gupped as he got up and walked to the front of the room. Sumit walked to the front of the room with his paper in his hand. He did not take his eyes up. He did not take his eyes off the essay as he read it. As he started reading only, he could not see here and there. When Sumit had finished his reading, the class was silent. The whole class was in silent. No one clapped or said anything. That time Sumit, oh my God, he thought my essay is very bad. Then Sumit slowly raised his eyes to see a bunch of hands. Sumit slowly raised his eyes to see a bunch of hands in air. No one clapped, but everyone raised his hands to ask a question for him. Everyone raised his hands to ask a question for him on his essay. Mrs. Mathai was impressed. Mrs. Mathai was impressed by his essay. The class teacher impressed by his essay and the activities he had taken up. His essay and the activities he had taken up in the summer vacation. Then Mrs. Mathai said, the class teacher said, looks like you have some questions, Sumit. She said, looks like there everyone raising their hands to ask you question. Mrs. Mathai said. She pointed to Arjun in the front row. She shone a finger at Arjun in the first row. In the first row. You may ask your question, Arjun. Arjun, you may ask your question to Sumit about this vacation. Did you go on? Sumit, Arjun asked. Arjun asked to Sumit, did you go on that new roller coaster? New roller coaster, a Gantt wheel in Funfair. We can see a big round circled Gantt wheel in the Funfair. That is called new roller coaster. Did you go on new roller coaster at the amusement park? Arjun asked to Sumit. Arjun said, I heard it really scary. I heard it is very scary. Did you go on that new roller coaster in the amusement park? That was very scary. My parents said to me. Arjun said to Sumit. Then Sumit said, yes, I enjoyed that ride. Sumit replied to Arjun, yes, I enjoyed that ride. It was very funny. Then Arjun said, I begged my parents to take me, but they wouldn't. Arjun said that I begged my parents to take me to that roller coaster, but they won't listen to me. But they wouldn't. Arjun said, Sumit, as he answered the questions, Sumit answered for the questions after question. He smiled. He thought that his essay was good. Before that, he think that his essay is not good. After answering to the all questions, he smiled himself. And he thought that his essay was good. He smiled before he knew it. It was time for lunch. Before he knew it, it was the time for the lunch. So on the way of the cafeteria, when they are going to the cafeteria to have their lunch, all the children were questioning him. The questions were asked to the... He is answering to all. That time, Danish said, when he said Danish went to Ooty, a lovely hill station, he enjoyed a lot. Yes, no, before that he said like that. But now the Danish only said him, you are so lucky. Danish said him, you are so lucky, Sumit. I wish I did all that this summer. I wish I did all that this summer. Sumit smiled and he thought that he had an amazing summer after all. Dear children, we are thinking some other are doing very good things, we are not. But this is wrong. We have to enjoy our own situation. Whatever we have to satisfied in that. We should not compare our situation to others, because everyone should not have a same situation, same condition. So whatever we have, whatever our condition is there, we have to satisfied. We have to content in that. This is the moral of the story. Dear children, I hope you all understood this lesson. In our next video, we are going to solve some question answers. Of this lesson. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.